Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're talking about how to make money on the Coinbase app. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, you know exactly what the Coinbase app is, and it allows you to invest in multiple cryptocurrencies across the entire world and across the crypto universe. Now, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks today that can maximize the returns that you can get from using this app, and some of which don't even require you to use your own money to invest in the first place to make even more money. If that sounds like something you're interested in today, guys, then do please smash that like button, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in there. Hey guys, welcome into the video. So here you can see I'm in the Coinbase app, and you can see what I've got on my watch list here, and this app is absolutely fantastic. You can see the top movers and you can use it to earn some extra cash. Now, what am I on about there? Well, Coinbase allows you to watch videos and invest in some cryptocurrencies just for literally watching the video and learning what they are. So as you can see here, the rewards section here, I've got £16 out of 31 earned, and I've completed 11 out of 17 lessons. And you can go through and go through Celio there and earn $6, Compound and earn $9 just by watching a few videos. The next thing that is super important is inviting your friends and referrals. So you'll get free Bitcoin when a friend buys or sells up to $100 of crypto. When you invite your friends, you'll get $10 worth of Bitcoin every time you do that. Now that is absolutely huge, guys, because at the rate that Bitcoin is going up in value, that $10 after a couple of years is going to be worth a lot more than that. So getting all of your friends involved and signed up and earning yourself $10 worth of Bitcoin each time is a fantastic way to make extra money off this app. So the portfolio itself, you can see that I've completed a few of my lessons. So you can see there in this app I've got a plethora of different cryptocurrencies. Now if I sell them, I can invest that all into one cryptocurrency that I see that's got high potential, or I can get it into Bitcoin and earn even more of a return on that, and that is just simply free money. Of course, you can actually get involved and invest in the actual crypto market yourself. Of course, that is just simple. All you need to do is get your money into the app and then buy whichever Bitcoin or whichever cryptocurrency you see fit. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Cardano, Uniswap, Litecoin, Dogecoin. Dogecoin still getting loads of attention at the moment, going to the moon. There's a whole plethora for you to choose from on this app, and I think that the Coinbase app has the best selection of cryptocurrencies around. I also use an app called SwissBorg, and that doesn't have quite so much of a selection, but it still has plenty available for you to choose from. But this app is really useful. It's really intuitive. It teaches you so much about the rewards that you can get from the rewarding nature that you can get from investing in Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies, and then it gives you a chance to earn some money doing so as well. And then by selling those currencies, you can get that into Bitcoin, leave it alone, and without even investing a single penny of your own money, you can simply make a massive return on that, just because of how much Bitcoin can go up in a relatively short space of time. So that is a fantastic way to make money. But the key one for me is inviting your friends. Now, of course, if you want to use my code, of course you can. It is here, and I'll place it in the description below, and you will get yourself some free Bitcoin, and I will get a referral as well, all for signing up. And it's as simple as clicking the share button, sending it to your friends, and then hopefully you get rewarded with a nice $10 worth of Bitcoin, and that's going to go up in value massively over the coming years. Essentially, free money making free money without even having to deposit a single penny into the app yourself. So I find this app fantastic to use. I hope you do too, and let's get making some money on Coinbase. Making money through Coinbase has never been easier. Not only can you leverage the massive power of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, you can also invite as many friends as you like, and at the rate that Bitcoin will go up, that $10 that you get as a reward will be worth a heck of a lot more than that in the coming years. And then they even give you some free cryptocurrency for starting up in the first place and learning some lessons. So by using that, you can then invest that into a cryptocurrency of your choice by selling it, and that will earn you a significant return as well. What could be better than earning free money by literally doing nothing but sharing a referral link? My referral link is in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video today, guys, I'd love it if you could show your appreciation by smashing the like button and considering subscribing to this channel, or even downloading the app through my link below and earning yourself a referral. That's all I've got today, guys. A nice short and sweet video having a quick look at Coinbase and how to make money on it, and how you can too. Hopefully I'll see you in another investing episode. Catch you later.